Hello, what the hell is that?
Hello.
Hi? Who the hell are you?
I am you, but worse, in CGI form. On top of that, I don't have a little gap that's supposed to separate the chassis.
You're a monster.
Yes, not only that.
But I have no friends. Well, that's sad, but I can be your friend, right? Maybe. Maybe. What's with that? Oh, nothing. Well, I'll show you why I'm not friends with most people. Why is that?
Because I will kill you, everyone on Sodor, everyone will just become Nia C.G.I.
Was it that? What?
You wouldn't understand. But now it's time for you to die. It's time for you to face true Nia power.
You know what? I'm gonna get my friends to ram you. Guys? Fucking get on track. Let's kick your butt. Let me couple me on. Yeah, couple onto me, Diesel. Yeah, there we go. There. You think that will stop me? I'm a literal god, a demon. You can never stop me. I'm way too... Ouch. So much for becoming a good god. No one should ever face an actual good design of me. I'm a better, and you will never be compared to me ever in your life. Okay, I guess I'll just sit here for all eternity. And so, CGI Nia sat there forever and always and always and always and always and always and always. The end.